A whale? A whale? That rots. But a flamingo? Don't understand. That pink is so old-fashioned. Did you think twice? But damn, your family's here. How could these big pink turkeys be better?
Whales? Turkeys? Yep, no way. They're definitely awesome.
Oh, so you really want to join these feather dusters? You should have said so right away. No sweat. The maggot and I are gonna help you. And we'll do it state of the art.
You really know the best way, don't you?
Being a flamingo is all about balance. From the beak to the feathers. To go undercover, you have to be natural, supernatural. You've got to move like a flamingo, think like a flamingo, and even speak like a flamingo. How beautiful, wonderful. And now, we're gonna make a champion out of you. Good evening and welcome to our show. We're welcoming our new candidate on stage. Without further ado, let's test her general knowledge. Top migratory bird, Phenicoptera forms order. I form huge colonies that can gather up to 200,000 monogamous couples. I'm the pink flamingo. Nice one. Next question. Top, true or false? The flamingo can play the accordion for more than 42 days without stopping. What is the difference between a spoon? My bill's blended morphology allows me to chew and filtrate aquatic invertebrates. Whose wealth in carotene pigment my feathers with? Exactly! Pink, excellent answer. Our candidate wins the full Labrousse Encyclopedia collection. A collector poster. Our sponsor offers you a pair of stilts. And exclusively, the fashion touch that all your friends will be jealous of. An express coloration which will take you straight to Flamingo Land.
Can't see what else we could do. Excellent work. We are the best.
Come on, sweetie. Go make the barnyard dream. Don't forget, balance, prestance, voluptuousness.
Then you've got gizzard. Oh, I already miss this little chick.
I know. Say no more.
Hey, why the nerd is that thing? Get out of here. Get lost.
I feel I can still hear her.
She will always be with us.
Look who's here! You're back!
I knew you couldn't live without us.
Pink, pink, pink. It's not so bad after all. It slims me, doesn't it?
Oh no, you're not gonna start too.
Okay. But then again, a pink whale is very trendy.